Yo, it's Jay Will back with another video. A lot of people been asking me, can I do a video on digistore24, how to promote their products, and I'm gonna set up a campaign right now. Okay, so I'm here on my digistore24 test account, and we're gonna go look for the product, Sony's Complete, and promote this product. Right here, I'm gonna use a landing page for this product. Actually, on average, it's about $110 per sale. Okay, I'm gonna share my landing page with you guys. This is a landing page I'm gonna use for Sony's Complete. I'm gonna actually leave this landing page in the description below. You guys can copy it if you want to. So let's get started. First campaign, search ads, next. Sony's Complete. Gonna start off at $100 a day. Just gonna target United States and Canada. I'll leave that. Actually, let's add United Kingdom. Okay, I just added these 5 countries: United States, United Kingdom, New Zealand, Australia, and Canada. We're gonna make sure this is unchecked. Save and go. Okay, Sony's Complete. Add group name. Okay, gonna use my keyword tool. Type in Sony's Complete. Buy Sony's Complete. Order Sony's Complete. Alright, so these are all the keywords I'm gonna use. Let's see. Gonna swing over here. Phrase match, exact match. Select keywords. Highlight them all. Copy. Paste them in here. Save and go to the next step. Let's create our ad. Gonna put Sony's Complete. Do 80% off today only. We can do right here for tendinitis. Hope I spell it right. Ringing ears. Free shipping. For the description, we can steal a description from here. Just model what somebody else say. I like this one. Limited time offer. Free shipping available. Paste that in here. Free shipping. Then I type 80% off today only. I'll do 60-day money back guarantee, FDA approved, made in the US. What I'm gonna take my site. What you wanna do? I already did this, but I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna click magic. I already have it in here, so you just want to drop the website in here, paste that in there, name it Sony's Complete, whatever, and save changes. So you want to come and grab the tracking link, put that in the tracking template, slash, you can use query string. You have to see what everybody's typing in for you to get the sale. Close query. You can come and grab the original site, put that in a mobile URL, paste that in there, go to final URL, paste that in there, and there we go. Save. Scroll down, save and continue. Now we do the bidding. Gonna head over. We're gonna start our bid off at $3 per click. We're gonna stroll to advanced campaign setting, add distribution. Click the second one and start the campaign. I'm gonna post that landing page in the description below. If you have ClickFunnels, you can just click and download the page. If you don't have ClickFunnels, just click on it and go to my link and get the 14-day free trial. Once you go to the page right here, you should see the link at the bottom right. If you don't have ClickFunnels, you should be able to click on this and get the 14-day free trial. Now, when you do download these pages, I have a few bonus pages in this funnel for some products on ClickBank. You guys can have all the pages you need. If you have any questions, message me on Instagram at JWillTV. Also, like, subscribe, and comment. I do answer comments back. In the meanwhile, have a good day. And yeah, let's get it.